In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to redeem the NFL Sunday ticket offer with my Verizon. 1. After activating your eligible mobile service, keep an eye on your email inbox. Visit the My Verizon website, then sign in to your mobile account. Look for the NFL Sunday ticket offer redemption tile within your My Verizon account. Just note that redemption is currently not available on the My Verizon app. Click on the NFL Sunday ticket offer redemption tile to review the terms and conditions carefully. Make sure to understand and agree to the terms before proceeding. After reviewing the terms and conditions, select Continue to proceed with the redemption process. Follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your chosen offer. You may be redirected to a designated platform such as Plus Play to complete the redemption process. Provide any necessary information or follow additional steps as prompted to successfully redeem the offer. And once the redemption process is complete, you should receive a confirmation message of your redeemed offer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.